How to delete a message on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Inbox at the bottom. After you click on Inbox, click on the chat where you want to delete a message. After that, you can simply hold on to the message you want to delete. After you hold on to the message, you'll find all these options. Simply click on delete for me or delete for all. Select the one you prefer and the message will be deleted. But if you want to delete a whole chat, you can hold on to the chat and then click on delete, which will delete all your messages. And this is how to delete a message on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.